Good morning, my supporters. Morning, my subscribers. Morning to all viewers and to all new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Now, guys. Me no know right now. Oh Lord. Oh, I don't even know where to start from. Cause right now, me a freestyle. Me no know where to start from. Me not go stuck on one specific individual. Me not go call nobody name. So me a generalize right now. Me talking general and everybody in a one under one umbrella right now. People, you see all our go on the internet now. You know, see everything we are going on. You know, see everything that is unfolding. Somebody. You hear me say? Somebody, if them not cut out all of the foolishness we are going now, if all of that not somebody I gotta get fuck. Somebody I gotta get fuck. I'm not talk just one little bitchy fuck. Somebody I gotta get a big is either somebody life I gotta last, somebody I gotta go to prison or something. But based on everything what may see happen now, everything that is unfolding, that I gonna be the end result. We don't need to let this thing go, right? Everybody is an adult. We're grown. And for all of this, a controversy will surround just one specific individual, all because of what? All because of what? Money? Huh? Jealousy? Enviousness? What? Because based on what me get from this, and the reality of it is that none of uno not related. None of uno not know nobody from nowhere. Uno just basically meet on the internet, right? And uno become acquaintances. So how the hell now uno behave like uno a family member? The whole of uno go to school together and play a ring game and dolly house pan holiday time. And we cheese chip and chingum and drink bag juice and suck pan break time. So uno behave like uno come from way back awa. Eh? Awa. Jesus, right now, you know, see right now, me feel like me just could have packed one little bag, not even one big bag, probably two scandal bag with one pair of slippers and so, cause me nobody want be Jamaican. No. Me want go somewhere far away no internet no there. Probably like Mars and one of them. Me just want go space, yeah. No internet no there. So all of this me now go see all of them drama and something here. Me I go back in a them time there when the place did peaceful. I can't take it anymore. Every day you go on the internet. Every day you go on the internet. It's the same thing. And it's the same set of people them. The same set of people them. And sad to say, the same plank of them will get up and cheer. Oh, Donna, I love you. Donna, I this, Donna, I that. Then, oh, well, I don't know hip hop. Well, I'm not going to say well, I don't know because you have people who are, you're not genuine. But majority of them, you know, majority of them is a bunch of hypocrites. Because remember, pre this, everybody are the same set of followers, them, Is the same set are the same set of families upon trending drama. Is the same set of family over 360. Is the same set of people them over when name Dr. Love are the same set of people them there Marcy are the same set of people them there are Erica is the same set of people them who again me miss out are the same set of people them over there. And no different set of people. And the same set of people them over there are type up and a write up. Some good, some bad, some in between, some are bonus, some are, waganis, both pan the side them. Yeah. No, you see where it reach. You see where it reach. Police and all involved. You take the two mad people them because me not care when nobody wants to say tough sound like she sensible. Tough sound like she lose one screw somewhere. One screw drop out somewhere. So me not go spite my finger upon a specific individual because me not know when then the phone I communicate. I don't know. So what you see on the internet are basically the same thing with me I see too. But so I'm setting up a one somewhere. Somebody I set up somebody. Yeah. Somebody I have them two mad people that are string on because them love money. Me not gonna come bash Siloni either. Siloni and Madam and anything Siloni we do for money. Yesterday, the same way how uno take Siloni I set her up for money, and the same way Siloni I go come back, come talk the truth. For money. Anything once it have to do with money, uno can't get Siloni for do it. No. Ashanti come out with Tuffy, and him come out with what's her name? Soloni, right? Tuffy say Marcia. And the woman here catch up and say, no, we know some from we know Marcia. Marcia not have nothing on the head more than the two little 4 them up. They say you can't catch up in a one. So who is this person? Either somebody I try to set up Marcia and Dwayne as well, because them know right now them are done one of the two biggest haters. That's one of my hear me say, because she have so many out there. So either somebody I try to set them up too. You understand? Because them know when them do what them do to Dana, then fingers are go point back to them. You understand? So if them guilty or them guilty not, I don't know. Someone not gonna come here come point no fingers pan nobody. All me I say, whatever is going on, no need to let it go. No need to stop. Listen, the woman says she done charity. Remember, a good little while now she not done a charity. She not take no money from nobody and give to anybody whatever she give where she get from her pocket. Right? So I'm not call that charity. If you take it to your pocket and give, I'm not call it charity. I call it say, yeah, bless somebody. So that is what you're basically doing. Now she let go off of the charity. And I say, all right, now that you let go off of the charity, people are going to come off far back now. But guess what? It worse. Because when she do the charity, the only thing them I say, oh, she a scammer, she a thief, she a this and she a that for the past 3 years now, and we still not see no proof. Then you hate her that much, I don't have proof, I don't have voice recording or something, and nobody can come out with nothing. I don't think you a fool. I don't think nobody an idiot. I don't think people fool. Right, all right. So let go after that now. The charity done and she do her thing. She bake her cake and she excel and she expand and she progress in whatever she do. So what caused this now? The only thing me can say is just hate. Envy. Uno I say, oh, nobody no bad mind done and nobody not hate done. But what else it boils down to? Uno tell me. Tell me what else it boils down to. The founder say, oh, she get hype and she this. But nothing is wrong with somebody celebrating them success. What wrong with that? Remember, when you at a level, if you at a level, the moment you're growing, the moment you're changing, the moment you're expanding, the moment you're progressing, your attitude are going to change. Your behavior are going to change. Because same how you grow physically, mentally you are going to change as well. Your mindset are going to change as well. So what is wrong with being proud of your growth and proud of your progress? Something wrong with that? Me never know is a crime. Me never know it's a crime for proud of yourself. Up until now, me not see where this woman a show off. Me not see where this woman a show off. All what me see personally is just a woman where come out of the ghetto, right? We come out, we don't clean. ATL bathroom and tidy up desk as you say, and all kind of something on a class. Nothing is wrong with that when you make your bread, your honest bread from your honest earning. Nothing wrong with that if you want a clean bathroom already. All that me can see is a woman that come from nowhere and a celebrate her success, a celebrate her achievement. That's all me see. Me not see no show off, me not see no hype. You see, me personally, me not have to know you from nowhere. Once me hear your story, I say you come from nothing. You struggle. Me proud. Once me hear your story and I hear where you come from and see you at a level, me proud. Me not have to proud that. Me not have to know you from nowhere. Me tell you something about King Ashe. Me never meet them the people they yet. Me no know them. And when me see how them boss were like a Bajan kite on YouTube, and we know them story because them come out and them talk them story. Sometimes I sit down and watch them and me ball you that things say we related. Because me say, watch God. Look here. You can't just get up every day and clap for yourself. If you can't clap for other people, then it don't make no sense. If you only can get up and clap and cheer for yourself, you don't make no self. You have to be cheerleaders for others as well. If somebody wants to succeed and come out, go and hype, that a for them business, a for them hype and a for them success. How that be a problem? How that become a problem to know? How? Till it reach this point. A for it, you know. Wanna realize that? I worry there. From us say police I get involved. Lies I tell, which part the lie I tell from? I don't know, but lie I tell somewhere. And this is a warning. If you don't let this thing go, something I go wrong. The media are gonna become bloody, and then guess what gonna happen? Everybody I go sit down with them under them jaw. I say, if me did know, if me did know, if me did know, who I go to type up RIP and all of them something there, because this I get way out of hand. Way out of hand, so you don't need to take a step back, look back, and adjust on yourself. Everybody, I will know a Jamaican, you know. It no matter if you're there foreigner, you have citizenship or whatever, the whole away a Jamaican. Why we can't be happy for each other? Why? Curly, you come out and you play a voice note and all of them something there. But the thing is, Curly, where you are looking, right? What you are looking on is that done of this and done of that. But the thing where you supposed to look on, Curly, you are part of the problem too. Right? If you say you love Donna, when you come on the media, I show all of them shades there. What you think are gonna happen? Because people are not stupid. People not stupid. When people are throw shade, them know when people are throw shade. Whenever throw it at a specific individual, them know. Curly, you come out from on the left Canada, right? You throw shade. And 99 was the only one. Me don't know if she knows say you throw shade and she pretend. Because as she say, everybody a hypocrite on the media. And it's no lie. She herself says she a hypocrite too. Come out of fear mouth telling me, say it as she say it. So, probably she knows say, you never two with her either. You understand? You know you never two with her either. But you just a play along with it. But Curly, all the shades them with you, you come and you dash your shades, you dash your shades, you dash your shades. When she respond now, you know, and when the cup full and she couldn't take it no more. Yeah. When the cup full and she couldn't take it anymore, so she come out and she talk up. You can't blame her for that. She a human, flesh and blood, just like everybody else. She have feelings, just like everybody else. She can't come on media and talk about, oh, me not respond. At some point in time, she go respond. She ain't a robot. At some point in time, no matter how she come out and play tough, oh, me not look on them, me not this and me not that. When she hear some things, she go respond. Me not like what go on, my loves. Me not like what go on. Me afraid. Me afraid for some people. Me afraid. Because you don't know what these people are capable of. You know see how time around. Jamaica especially, you know see how Jamaica around. Anything can happen at any given time. Anything can happen at any given time. You can't even trust the people them around you. That's why I mean roll solo. Yeah, you can't trust nobody around you because them come and them laugh and them cheer you on and them this and deep down inside, if you could have only go down in them heart and mind and see what down there towards you, you would have dropped down. You would have dropped down. But guess what? No surprise me these days. Nothing surprises me these days. I know everybody will laugh and kiki with you. Mean you well. Them sit down and them yam and them drink with you and them get up from side of you and go cut off your neck, or when you move from side of them cut off your neck. You will just full them backside. Well, she said she done charity. Completely. She done charity. I see people making comments under her post. I say she did just do charity for kickstart or whatever. But I don't need for understand, say, For all who have followed her a long time and understand where she had come from. And remember say our pudding, and she taught the story over and over and over and over again, is our pudding find Charity, not Charity find her. She did do her baking. She did on IG do her thing ever since. Right? And I don't know the story. I don't have to go over the story because she tell the story so much time. So I don't know how Charity come about. All Charity did was establish her. So with or without Charity, she was out there anyway. So if she decides say she gonna stop, if she decides say she gonna stop now, then I see the whole journey and everything will transpire. Everything that took place because everybody where she help. I don't see one individual where she help who come round consider help back somebody or who show any form of gratitude towards her. Me not see none. Up until this time, me not see none. Them collect millions and enough of them still come and a beg back. Them name out that shit out that long time and still come and a beg back. Them not have no form of ambition, nothing, because you can't get so much money. And you not say, oh, you not have one little business out of it. Nothing. You reach a point where you get house, nice furniture, clothes and whole heap of something, and you still a buff and buff and a battle all over the place and a bounce about like a football. None of them. So that not encourage nobody. That not encourage a soul. Now if you don't realize, the donors them wise up. You remember one time if done a company on the live and somebody crutching your foot, you see donor call, oh give him this, give him that. Huh? You remember that? If done a head a crutch him and somebody come crutch your him. Donors calling, oh no, give him this, give him that. You know see money around like that over there again. Eh? You know see money around like that over there again? People wise up. Yeah. People wise up. People sit back and them observe. People sit back and them observe and them learn. So 99, if you decide to stop your charity, it's all up to you. Your choice, your decision. You know what you feel, you know what you go through. Who feels it, knows it. You never had nothing behind closed door. Everything was transparent. We see everything will unfold. Everything will unfold. So who are going to come now with all kind of this and all kind of that? Let them talk. Let them talk. Let me tell you what this woman learned from for the past 3 years. Me I watch this woman. You don't know what me learn. You see, if you do good, you're going to get hate. If you do bad, you're going to get hate. So guess what? It better you do you. Because you can't do nothing to please people these days. Nothing whatsoever you can do to please nobody. So please your damn self. Once you satisfied with what you do, then that is what counts. That is all that matter. Because you do good here for one set over there, so I go look for every form of negativity in it. And bash. It no matter how much good you do, you know. Somebody, I go get microscope, I go get binoculars, I go get magnifying glass, I search one little tip, one little tips. And negative and put it against you. Them not say they good. Them not say the 99.9% worth are good. I just the little teeny tips are negative they see and them use that and use it against you to stir up controversy. I learned that program here, it teach me so much. It teach me a lot. Me not lie. Me not lie. It reveals so much ungratefulness. It reveals so much hate. It reveals so much about our own nation, our own race. It reveals so much. But if God be for you, who can be against you? Me not compare 99 to God. Because 99 in a no form of category with God. But then, if the Bible is true, because I'm not an atheist. I am not a atheist. But sometimes the Bible is so confusing me. I don't know if you believe in it. Honestly, I not lie. I don't know if you believe in it. Sometimes me read and me not understand not when me read and me read one sitting here so and me go rerun on one next part this I go read one total different sitting so it confuse me. But as me say, if the Bible is true, when Jesus did the on earth, him not done no bad. Him pure. You understand? And them get see what they did to him. Then kill him. Yes. You never hear the story? Them kill Jesus. I guess what I never nobody from far can kill Jesus. I the same people them when I walk with. Judas. Judas betray him. Yeah. I don't see Judas do everything with Jesus, you know. He name and drink everything with Jesus. He walk with Jesus, go heal people. He walk with Jesus, go raise dead. Yes. I don't see how Judas. I feel like Judas had Jesus right hand. I don't see what go on. Peter betrayed him. Peter deny him, Judas betrayed him, yeah. Peter deny him, Judas betrayed him. So, who is we? Who we be? Everything will happen now upon this earth. You know, just now happen. From beginning. Cain kill Abel. From beginning, yeah. But, people, make we watch and see, no? Make we watch and see. Because as the days unfold, it'll get worse and worse and worse. The same set of people, them. But guess what? Some of we are going to shock when we see some other things unfold because all our go on, you know, the all who have eyes can see. You can tell, say, other persons are involved in this. You have people who are work behind the scenes. Yeah. People who are work behind. That's why, me, no compare media conference. Nobody. Nobody. Me no go pan people put one page, me na comment pan. One. And sometime when me feel like me comment pan 99 page. Me no anywhere else me go, me not go some, I go nowhere else. But anywhere else me go, me sit my ass down and me look and listen and observe. Yeah. Anyway, people, this are my 2 cents to all what go on right now. Wanna bless up on a nice, good self. Enjoy the rest of the day. Have a productive one. And who can pray? Wanna pray. Wanna keep 99 in our prayers because I see all our way surround her right now. Wanna see everything that surround her right now. She don't deserve all of this. She don't deserve it. Big up on herself. Big up on herself. May see you in the next video. Later on. Bless up and peace out.